John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net dividend report for Wednesday, February 18, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated reported underlying EPS was $1.03 per share. Analysts expected on average 99 cents. Net sales for the fourth quarter fiscal year 2009 were $107.9 billion, an increase of 1.7% from $106.2 billion in the fourth quarter last year. Income from continuing operations for the quarter was $3.7 billion, a decrease of 7.7% from $4.1 billion in the fourth quarter last year. The company expects the next reported EPS to be between 72 and 77 cents for the first quarter of fiscal year 2010 and between $3.45 to $3.60 for the full year. Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated operates retail stores in various formats worldwide. Medtronic Incorporated announced diluted earnings per share in the period were $795 million or 71 cents per diluted shares. Analysts were looking for 70 cents per diluted share. Net earnings in the third quarter were $723 million or 65 cents per diluted share, an increase of 839% and 829% respectively. After adjusting for in-process research and development charges of $72 million or 6 cents per share, non-GAAP net earnings and diluted earnings per share in the period were $795 million or 71 cents per diluted share, an increase of 12% and 13% respectively. Bill Hawkins, Medtronic Chairman and CEO, said, excluding the impact of foreign currency, 4 of our 7 business units reported double-digit revenue growth in the quarter, and we continue to focus on delivering meaningful operating leverage. Medtronic Incorporated develops, manufactures, and markets medical devices worldwide. And now, the dividend report. ITC Holdings Corporation announced that its board of directors has declared a quarterly cash dividend of 30.5 cents per share payable on March 16 to shareholders of record on March 2, 2009. ITC Holdings Corporation invests in the electricity transmission grid to improve electric reliability, improve access to markets, and lower the overall cost of delivered energy. Lender Processing Services Incorporated announced a regular quarterly dividend of 10 cents per common share. The dividend is payable on March 26 to shareholders of record as of the close of business on March 12, 2009. Lending Processing Services Incorporated is a leading provider of integrated technology and services to the mortgage industry. Fidelity National Information Services Incorporated announced a regular quarterly dividend of 5 cents per common share. The dividend is payable March 30 to shareholders of record as of the close of business March 16, 2009. Fidelity National Information Services Incorporated, a Fortune 500 company, is a leading provider of core processing for financial institutions, card issuer and transaction processing services, and outsourcing services to financial institutions and retailers. Insteel Industries Incorporated announced that its board of directors declared a quarterly cash dividend of 3 cents per share on the company's common stock, payable on April 3rd to shareholders of record as of March 20, 2009. Insteel is one of the nation's largest manufacturers of steel wire reinforcing products for concrete construction applications. Curtiss-Wright Corporation announced that the board of directors declared a dividend of 8 cents per share for common stock, payable April 17 to shareholders of record as of April 3, 2009. Curtiss-Wright Corporation is a diversified company that designs, manufactures, and overhauls products for motion control and flow control applications and provides metal treatment services. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.